Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to see the exercise 1.3 estimation. For estimation, you should know about the basics of rounding off, right? Last year we have seen about the rounding off near to 10, 100, 1000. How you did? Rounding off near to 10 means what you should do? You should check the number in the ones place. What you have to do? You have to check the number in ones place for rounding of 10. Okay. Rounding near to 10. Nearest to 10. So you have to check the number in ones place. Okay. If it is 5 or more than 5, you have to add one number with the number in the tens place. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, you can leave 0 itself here. If it is 5 or more than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to add 1 with the number in tens place. Then you have to put a 0 here. How will you do? 8, 7, 6, 0. This is rounding off near to the nearest to tens. Okay. Next, rounding off near to 100th place. What will you do? You have to check the number in the tens place. Rounding off near to 100 means you have to check the number in the tens place. What is there in tens place? 5. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what you have to do? You have to add 1 with the number in the 100th place. Okay. So, 8, 8, 0, 0. This is rounding near to 10. This is 100. If you want to round off near to 1000 means what you have to check? You have to check the number in the 100th place. What is there in the number in the 100th place? 7. 7 means it is more than 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means what you have to do? You have to add 1 with the number in the thousands place. Okay, here it will become 9000. This is rounding off nearest to 1000. So I will repeat it again. For estimating the products, we should know the basics of rounding off nearest to 10, 100 and 1000. You should know the basics, right? For rounding off near to 10 means what you have to check? Near to 10 means this is ones place, 10, 100, 1000. What you have to do? Here nearest to 10 means you have to check the number in ones place. If it is 5 or more than 5, you are going to add 1 with the number in the tens place. Okay, it will become 6, it will become 0. Okay, 8760. It is rounded off near to the 10. Okay, nearest to 10. Then for rounding off nearest to 100 means what will you do? You have to check the number in the tens place. Tens place what is there? 5. Then you have to add 1 with this number 8800 rounded off. Then here if you want to make this number round off near to 1000 place means you have to check the number in the 100th place. It is 7. If it is more than 5, we have to add 1 with the number in the thousands place. Okay children, you got the basics. Anyhow, I will upload the previous year video also for your reference. Okay, now we will move to exercise 1.3. Then it will be easy. If you know the concept well, you can do the sums easily. What is the first sum? Estimate. We are going to estimate near to tens. Here, see, 730. Check the number in the tens place. We are checking the number in the tens place means what we are going to do? Round off near to the 100. Okay. So it is 700. It is more than 5. So it becomes 1000. 700 plus 1000 equal to 1700. You got it children? If you are going to a shop, you are going to buy something, you should bring money for that, right? You if you know the estimate only, you can take the money according to the estimate. Okay, that's why estimation is very important when you are doing shopping or anything. Okay, next sum, 796 minus 314. What you are going to do? Here check the number in tens place. It is more than 5. More than 5 means what you have to do? You have to add 1 with the number in the 100th place. We are all rounding this number near to 100. Okay, so it is 800. This one becomes 300 because it is 1. See, if the number in tens place is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are not going to change anything. Right? So 300. 800 minus 300 is 500. Okay, what is the next number? These numbers we are going to round off near to 1000. 1000 means what we have to do? 100th place you have to check. Here 12,904 plus 2,888. What you are going to do? Check. You are going to round off nearest to 1000th place. So 1000th place means we have to check the number in the 100th place. How much is here? 9. 9 more than 5 means you have to add 1 with the 1000th place, right? So it becomes 13,000. It's easy, right? 13,000. Here check the number, it is 8. You are going to add 1 with this number. So it becomes 3,000. Okay. 13,000 plus 3,000 is 16,000. You got it, children? Okay. Next one. 28,292 minus 21,496. What you are going to do? You are going to round off nearest to 1000. So here you have to check the number in the 100th place. What is there in the number in 100th place? 2. So we can write directly 28,000, right? If it is more 500 or 5 or more than 5, we have to make it as a 29,000. So it is like 28,000. And here check the number here, it is 4. 4 means it is just 21,000. Okay, so 28,000 minus 21,000 equal to 7,000. You got it, children? Now we will move to the next sum. What is the next sum? Rough estimate of rounding off to nearest 100 as well as nearest to tens for closer estimation. Okay, so what you are going to do, rounding off nearest to 100 means you are going to check the number in tens place, right? So what is the number in the tens place here? First sum 439 plus 334 plus 4,317. So you are going to check the number in the ones. Rounding off nearest to 100 means first tens place we will finish. Okay, tens place we have to check. Tens place, what are all the numbers here? 3, 3, 1. So we are not going to add any number with that. So 400 plus 300 plus 4,000. Okay, we are going to add the number 4,700. Okay, so here if the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are not going to add any number with the number. So it is 400, 300 and 4,000. The same sum we are going to do for the nearest to tens numbers. How will you do? Tens means you have to check the number in the ones place. What are the number in the ones place? So 9. 9 is more than 5. What we have to do? You have to add 1 with the number in the tens place. So 440. Okay. Here 4. You don't have to add any number. It is 330 itself. You have to write. Here you have to add 1 with the 1 in tens place. So it will become 4,320. Add all the numbers. It is 5,090. You got it, children? We will move to next sum. Next sum is subtraction. 1,08,734 minus 47,599. First, what we are going to round off nearest to 100. 100 means what we are going to do? You have to check the number in the tens place. What is there in the tens place? Here 3. Here 9. So here we are going to write just like that 700. Okay, 1,08,700. Here in tens place it is 9. So we are going to add 1 with this number. So it becomes 47,600. You got it, children? So subtract these two numbers. This subtraction, addition, multiplication and all you don't copy from the answers what I am giving. Okay, you are going to do by yourself. Okay, so 1,08,700 minus 47,600, it is 61,100. You got it, children? Next, the same sum we are going to round off nearest to tens. Tens means what we are going to do? We are going to check the number in the ones place. Okay, so what is the number in the ones place? Here it is 4, it is 9. So what we are going to do? We are not going to change anything in this. 1,08,730. Okay, minus here it is more than 5. So we are going to add 1 with this number. It is also more than 9, right? Now 9 plus 1, 10. It becomes 600. So 47,600. You got it, children? Subtract these two numbers. It is 61,130. Okay, children, you got it? What is the third sum? 8,325 minus 491. First, we are going to round off near to the 100. 100 means you have to check the number in the tens place. Here, tens place, 2 is here, here 9. So, 2 means we are not going to change the number, any number. So, 8,300 minus here 9 is there, we have to add 1 with this, so it becomes 500. Okay, you are going to subtract 8,300 minus 500 is 7,800. Then what is the next one we are going to do? We are going to round off nearest to 10 also. Nearest to 10 means what we are going to do? You are going to check the number in the ones place. Okay. Here ones place. Okay. 8. If it is 5 or more than 5, we are going to add 1 with this number, right? So 8,330 minus, here it is 1. So it is 490 only. So subtract 490 from 8,330. Don't copy from my answer. You are going to do by yourself. Okay, children? Answer is 7,840. Next one is D sum is that you are going to do by yourself. We will see the third sum. Estimate the products with the general rule. General rule means it is not like nearest to 100, nearest to 10 or nearest to 1000. Which can be nearest to 100, which can be nearest to 1000, which is easy for you to multiply. That is the general rule. Okay. Here see the sum 578 into 161. Here I have rounded this one nearest to 100. So it is 7 in the tens place. So I made it is as a 600. So I made nearest to 100. Here 161 I made to 200. Okay. 600 into 200 is how much? When you are multiplying with zeros, what you have to do? Here 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros. So write 4 zeros here. Then 6 2s are 12. Okay, what is the answer you got? 1,20,000. You got it, children? Okay, you are rounding off near to the 100. 100 means you have to check the number in the tens place. Okay, here 5,281 into 3,491. So this is 5,200. Check the number in hundreds place. It is 2. So I wrote 5,000. Okay. Here check the number in the 100 place. It is 4. So I wrote 3,000 only. Okay. Then multiply. When you are multiplying the numbers, when you get zeros, what you are going to do? Count the number of zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 zeros. Then multiply 5 3s are 15. You got it, children? Okay, we will move to next sum. Here 1291 into 592. So this one I made, see here 9 is there. Okay, so 91. So I made this as 1300. Okay, here I checked this number. This is more than 5. So I made this as 6. So 1300 into 600. Okay, children. So when you are multiplying many zeros are there, means what you are going to do? Count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 zeros here. Then multiply 13 into 6. 13 6 are 78. Okay, 13 6 are 78. What answer you got? 7,80,000. Okay, we will move to next sum. Next one, 9,250 into 29. So I made it into 9,000. Here 29 into 30 for easy multiplication. So how many zeros are here? 3. Here 1 0. So there are 4 zeros. Then 9 3s are 27. So the answer we got is 2,70,000. Okay, you understand the concept? Okay, children. First watch the video, then understand the concept. I have uploaded the answers also. Okay, when you receive the notebook, you can write neatly in your notebook. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.